Whoa!
Hello, our little friends. In today's episode we will paint with acrylic paint a beautiful tree, and we are very excited to apply some special painting techniques. Have a look. We will use masking tape, we will create our own flower brush, we will stamp the surface, and much more. We use a 24 by 30 centimeters large canvas here. First we stick some masking tape across the canvas. This will become later a really cool effect, you will see. This time we add a nice animal quiz into our painting fun. Here and there, you will see some animals appearing at our painting desk. Will you be able to spot all of the animals? Have a look, and count them. In the end of the video clip, we will reveal the result. At this stage we do not know what will come out. We just start and let the brushes guide us. Let's see what comes out. If you like our clip, please give us thumbs up, and press the like button. And if you have any great ideas for our future clips, we would love to hear about. Please share your ideas with us in the comments below. little friends, if you do not want to miss any of our new uploads, please subscribe to our channel. We would love to welcome you in our Art for Kids community. My little friends, if you do not want to miss any of our new uploads, please subscribe to our channel. We would love to welcome you in our Art for Kids community. Let's use now our self-made flower brush, which we prepared out of some earbuds. And now we remove the masking tape, which we applied right in the beginning. Slowly we are coming to the end of the clip. Let's reveal the right answer for the animal quiz. Did you spot all the animals? What is your count? In this clip, we saw in total 11 animals. Congratulations if you spot all of them. If you like our clip, please give us thumbs up and press the like button. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified by new uploads. Keep well and see you soon.